AI is everywhere, whether we like it or not. But instead of freaking out, why not make it work for us? Welcome to AI in Heels, where we take the best AI tools, news, and hacks and break them down into simple step-by-step guides, no tech degree required. Need to automate boring tasks, boost productivity, or just impress your boss with AI magic? We've got you. Every week, we test out the easiest, most useful AI tools and show you exactly how to use them. Because let's be real, no one has time to figure this stuff out alone. And because AI is moving at lightning speed, we also bring you the latest trends and news that actually matter. No techie mumbo-jumbo, just the good stuff you need to know to stay ahead. Our goal? To make AI less scary, more practical, and totally accessible. So no one gets left behind. Want to learn more? Our newsletter has you covered. We scour the internet to find the best free AI courses, so you don't have to. Whether you want to level up at work, learn to earn to start a side hustle, or just stay ahead of the game, we bring you the resources you need all in one place. Whether you're a total newbie or just looking for smarter ways to work and live, AI in Heels is here to help. So if you're ready to work smarter, not harder, hit that subscribe button and join the AI revolution, minus the confusion. Let's do this together. Subscribe to our AI in Heels newsletter. Get your weekly AI advantage. Click the link in the description and welcome to AI in Heels family. Thanks for stopping by.